In this video, I will share my personal experience as a kidney donor, how this event changed my life and led me to try to help as many people as I can. You're also going to learn what this channel is about and how it can help you in your personal health journey. So let's get started. Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel Healthy Living with Luis, where we help you reach your personal health goals and achieve a healthier lifestyle. If you're new here, make sure to click the subscribe button. Don't forget to leave a comment below and give this video a thumbs up. So right now, I'm going to share my personal kidney transplant protocol as a donor with the purpose of raising awareness of a disease like chronic kidney failure. Perhaps you or a loved one have already gone through this and know what it's like being in dialysis at least 3 hours a day, 4 days a week. Did you know that diabetes is the most common cause of kidney failure? According to the CDC, there are more than 34 million Americans who have a diagnosis of diabetes. So I really hope you never see yourself in that position of managing a condition like chronic kidney failure or have a loved one go through such a thing. But if you already are and have the intentions of being a donor to a family member or a very close friend, here are some of the requirements I went through. Number 1, you have to be over 18. Interesting enough, there are no cutoff ages for donating organs. Organs have been successfully transplanted from people older than 80 years. Number 2, be a compatible blood type to the person you're donating to. There are 3 main blood tests that will determine if a patient and a potential donor are a kidney match. There's blood typing, tissue typing, and cross-matching. Finally, number 3, have normal kidney function and meet a certain percentage of compatibility with the receptor. Obviously, being in good health, mentally and physically, is a must. Here's where I found my first challenge in this whole protocol, process, whatever you wish to call it. I was overweight. At my 21 years of age, I was at 213 pounds. The doctor said in order for me to continue with the protocol, I had to lose at least 25 to 30 pounds. I had poor eating habits, exercise rarely, overall not the healthiest patterns, but I had a goal. I had a very strong reason why I was doing this. I made a promise to myself that I would get my mother out of that dialysis room. And if God would allow me to do such a thing moving forward, I would help as many people as I could to never get to that point. So I wasn't going to allow my excuses and bad habits get in the way of helping my mother. After several months of following good eating habits, being mindful of what I ate, and exercising regularly, I dropped 28 pounds. Most importantly, I was able to continue with the protocol. After many evaluations were done and studies were taken, on August 28, 2012, the transplant takes place, and it's a success. Something I found interesting is they forgot to mention that there's a possibility of having to remove one of your ribs in order for them to retrieve the organ carefully. So if you've never experienced a broken rib, well, it's not pretty. This might be your first chance. Total recovery in the hospital was 4 days and about 2 months without being able to lift or do anything strenuous. Recovery was most painful in the beginning weeks, obviously. After a total of 8 hours in the surgery room, my mother was transferred to intensive care. Then after that, she was placed under observation until she was finally released from the hospital. When she was released, she had a very long list of doctor's orders and instructions to follow. My mother's doing wonderful to this day, and we remain very close. Thank God I was able to do this because it truly changed all of our lives for the better. I would do it all over again if necessary. Afterwards, I went to my last doctor appointment just to get some guidelines of what things I should avoid and be careful about in order for me to protect my remaining kidney. I'm going to share those with you right now. So number 1. Processed foods. Canned foods, meat in packages like weenies, salamis, lunch meat, junk food, etc. Cut that out. Number 2, excess amount of protein. Now this one's pretty debatable. If you have a good diet and you're working out, there's no need for protein powders or creatine supplements. Now this is what my doctor said. You'll force your kidney to work a little extra, and this is something that we want to avoid at this moment. And finally, he mentioned the most important of them all. Number 3, avoid being overweight. This is most compromising having only one kidney. Therefore, I knew I had to stay in shape year-round and make every effort to do so. So after sharing this personal experience and being fortunate enough to help my mom, I'm now keeping my promise, not only by sharing my story, but by helping as many people as I can to prevent illnesses. So I became a certified diabetes educator. I currently health coach over 300 participants with chronic conditions, including diabetes. I decided to create this channel and use this platform to reach out to as many people as I can. People that have decided to make a change, that want to break negative patterns, that want to change their standards of what they tolerate in themselves. I want to inspire and motivate you to accomplish your health goals and help you feel your best through lifestyle changes. I will partner with you in your efforts to adopt and maintain a healthier lifestyle. I will be posting videos once a week on goal settings, healthy substitutes, a gradual approach towards exercise, easy food recipes, meal prepping, maintenance, these and many other ideas that can be useful for your own personal health journey. And I'd love to have you join me for the next one. Let me know what are your barriers or obstacles keeping you from achieving your health goals. Leave a comment below. If you enjoyed this video and you're not already subscribed to my channel, just click that subscribe button below so that you don't miss my next video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having an amazing week, and I look forward to seeing you again. Until next time.